In this Torque King product video, we'll go over the TK4844 CV shaft kit. The TK4844 is a complete constant velocity axle shaft replacement set for the generation of GM, TopKick, and Kodiak trucks that ended in the model year 2009. The kit features a heavy-duty rebuildable CV assembly with 6 heavy-duty ball bearings, inner and outer axle shaft slingers, and a drilled outer shaft so you can grease the CV assembly without disassembly. Also included in the kit is heavy-duty moly grease, which is what's specified for this type of CV assembly. Unlike the factory shafts, this is chrome moly and can transmit 100% of the power while turning, which makes it much better suited for the work truck application. This kit TK4844 is a kit for both sides. However, it will also be offered in either a left side only, a right side only, and each individual item for maintenance as needed. You can check out the kit right here. Thanks for watching. If you have an interest in these trucks and would like to see cool builds, general discussion, or for sale posts, check out the Facebook group Kodiak Dynasty.